Plants Diary. So as you can see, today I'm with my plant. So today I'm going to give another plant haul. So 1 month back I visited one very big nursery. I will mention the address of the nursery in the description box. So I bought many plants and as well as compost and some other pots as well. So I'm going to do that haul right now. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. As you can see, I'm sitting in my mini jungle and let's start the haul. So the first plant is this mini syngonium and this was only for 50 rupees. You can see the plant is so healthy and it has so many leaves. So I just love this plant. So second plant is this one. So this is Peperomia, or it is known as mini rubber plant, and you can see the plants is like they have two plants here, and this butterfly leaf plants also is there, if you can see here. So this was also only 50 rupees. Next is this neon pothos. You can see the vine is so long. Actually it was it has 3 to 4 more leaves. So I cut it and I already propagated it, as you can see. And I have not changed the original pot, and you can see here another leaves is coming, and here also some more leaves are coming from each node. So this is actually a very healthy plant, and this was also only for 50 rupees. Next plants, the health of that plant is not so good. So this is again another syngonium, but I'm not sure what is going wrong with this plant. I have changed the soil, but I think I have poured some more water. So I think it is over watered. So I already changed the soil and I have given compost as well. I hope this will survive and it will not disappoint me. So this is also for 50 rupees. Next one is my favorite ZZ plant. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4 plants over here, and it was only for 150 rupees. And I just love this plant. As you can see, this plant is quite healthy, and this also I have not changed the soil. I have kept them original pot only, the nursery pot only, and so they didn't have much collection. This was only the last ZZ plant they have, and I bought it. Okay, so next one again another syngonium. So I didn't have any syngonium before, so I saw many syngonium there and I just became crazy and I bought like 5 to 6 syngonium, as you can see. So this is another syngonium, and it also has 2 plants over here, and this was also only 50 rupees. Okay, now the next plant. Okay, I can't hold it like this, the next plant, because the next plant is so big. I think I will try to show you guys. I think you guys can see the plants but not me. I don't know. Okay, let me just get adjusted here little bit, and okay, so now you can see this big syngonium. It has 4 to 5 plants which is overgrown, and I just love big plants. I think they make the space so greenery, and they make and I was looking for some plants which will make my balcony like appear full of greenery. So that's why I bought this. So this big syngonium was only for 200 rupees. So yes, you are right, the nursery is super cheap. Okay, next is this plant, Tangleheart, and see, this is so overgrown. I mean, I bought this almost 1 month back, and then it grown so much. I hope you can see. I just love this plant, and even I have propagated from this plant as well. So this was also for 50 to 60 rupees. I forgot the exact price. So yes, I just love this one. Okay, next I wanted to show another plant. So this is simple pothos. So I requested them that I bought so many plants, so just give me. Okay, let me first keep this plant. Okay, so after buying so many plants, I requested that bhaiya to give me some free plants, and then he gave me some free cuttings of pothos. So I planted those cuttings in the soil, and this is already growing. So this has given me so many leaves. So as you can see, there new leaves is coming from top, also some new leaves is coming. So yes, I'm running out of pots, so I am just reusing my old paint bottles. This is how you can reuse the old plastic bottles. And yes, so they have given me some free cuttings, and this is already growing. So yeah. Then I bought coco peat as well, and then I bought vermicompost. So this is the last plant. So this is one big Erica palm, and this was only for 100 rupees. Just look at this leaf. This is so big. I just fall in love with this plant when I saw this. And I love palms. I mean, they are so good. If you keep this plant in any corner, the corner looks so green and so lively. And with this plant, I bought one pot as well. So as you can see, this is 8-inch or 10-inch terracotta pot. So I think the price of this pot was around 80 rupees. I'm not very sure. I'll mention the price in the description box. The total bill was for 800 rupees, and then I asked for discount, so they gave 100 rupees discount, and all this thing I bought only for 700 rupees. So you can imagine the nursery is so cheap. I will ask everyone to visit this nursery. Next time I visit this, I will make a exclusive vlog because I want to show you the nursery, because it's so big and I have never visited this big nursery. And so yeah, that's the haul. And now if you have guys visited my other video, the last video, that is Gully Street video, there I mentioned that I have planted 2 tuberose bulb and some like chili, then eggplants and tomato seeds. So they all have germinated, and even I got flowers from the tuberose plant as well. So I will insert some picture of them here in the video. So I hope you enjoyed this haul, and I hope you are loving this plant videos, because of course due to COVID situation I am not able to travel, and I don't know when again we all can travel and I can make travel videos. So these are the new kind of videos I am thinking to produce. So yeah, let me know your thought in the comment section, and if you want to see my all plants tour video, I'll produce that as well. So yeah, let me know in the comment section. So bye for today, and stay safe and stay home. Bye.